Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about feelings. It's so important to know how to express yourself, right? And today I try to show you how it's possible with these 7 words. Let's start from the word hot. If you say I'm hot, I can say мне жарко. Мне жарко, it's in Russian. I'm hot. Мне жарко. Жарко. Мне жарко. But if you're in the north of Russia, you can't say I'm hot, мне жарко. You should say I'm cold, because it's impossible to be hot. Some part of Russia, it's rare will be with the sun. So now let's say I'm cold, мне холодно, or I'm frozen, я замерз. 2 words. Мне холодно, мне холодно, or я замерз, I'm frozen. Я замерз. Замерз. When you're frozen, when I'm cold, I think I'm thinking how to drink some hot tea, maybe, or milk, or coffee, or cappuccino, whatever. So I can say I'm thirsty. Я хочу пить. We don't have one word to express this feeling, so yeah, we try to express it by many words. So я, it means I am. Хочу, it means want. Хочу. Пить. Пить. I want to drink something. Я хочу пить, it means I'm thirsty. So we don't have one word to express it. Okay, you can say I'm hungry also, but we have one word to express it. Я голоден. Okay, it can't be one word. You should say I am. Я голоден. Я голоден. Repeat, please. Я голоден. If you repeat, maybe I will bring for you some cake if you are not on a diet. Or maybe meat. That is better, right? Okay. I'm tired. You can say when you're so exhausted, right? I'm tired. Я устал. Устать. Устал. You should say устал. I am tired. Я устал. And of course, the last but not least, I am happy. I am happy because you can see all these words. And I should say я счастлива. Я счастлива. Я счастлива if I am female. If I am a girl, I can say я счастлива. But if you're a man, you should say я счастлив. So these are at the last word, at the last letter in the word, shows you that you are female. So счастлива. So I'm really so happy, я счастлива, to show you these a lot of interesting and useful words to express yourself.